We have reached the moment of truth, the last event that will decide the direction of the whole crypto scene. People now refer to this period as too costly to remain sleeping as possibilities abound and restless nights have become the usual. But honestly, what is going on? Let us now learn. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Although many have been staring at Shiba Inu's explosive climb, it has not been immune to the current crypto market slump. Shiba Inu has been downslope since June 9th, falling by 37% from its starting price. As Bitcoin tested the $58,400 level yesterday, there was a faint optimism. Shiba Inu saw a meager 11% increase, but this set off a notable comeback throughout the market. Geopolitical concerns and poor macroeconomic circumstances were among the many elements driving this revived sell-off. However, here is something rather illogical. Many are perplexing themselves as to why the crypto industry is still suffering even with the approaching Bitcoin halved event. There is a clear buzz about this event, even feverish. Still, the costs are reasonable. One important element, perhaps, may be the latest comments made by Federal Reserve officials. Their hints about a likely delay in rate decreases brought on by consistently high inflation point, any cuts, may be not happening until 2025. This deviates from past signals of possible rate reductions right away in 2024. Wait, however, why is this important for the crypto market? It boils down basically to the interaction between conventional finance and cryptocurrency. Many times seen as a counterpoint to conventional monetary policy and inflation are cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Therefore, any hint that conventional markets could not provide the expected respite from inflation might lower passion for crypto investments, least in the near run, and this is just the surface of things. Large-scale asset sales have sharpened the market decline and added to the negative pressure. Grayscale announced withdrawals of $90 million in Bitcoin only yesterday, as we are now quite accustomed to. This pattern and ongoing withdrawals from spot Bitcoin ETFs have further accelerated the fall in the market. Moreover, after news on Middle East April 13th, tensions grew. These incidents have set off another round of market downturn as investors try to protect against possible economic damage. The whole crypto scene sank, mirroring market uncertainty. Here is something worth considering, however. Anyone shocked by this drop in crypto backtest what occurs when Bitcoin increases 7 months on a run, one Twitter user notes. Hint: it has occurred only once. After 7 straight months of expansion, one user argues it is not shocking to witness a downturn in the crypto market. And here is another thing you should grasp. Unbroken rise in the crypto market over 7 months is very amazing, a historical oddity that has made many investors very profitable. Not least of all, this era of expansion has given people all over chances for financial emancipation. It's democratized wealth generation, enabling individuals from all backgrounds to engage in the global economy in hitherto unthinkable ways. People should so appreciate it. But supposing some of you missed out on this 7 months development, well, stay watching this video as I have something maybe much more to share. If we enlarge the chart, this minor retracing does not seem so horrible. In cryptocurrency, it's a common guideline. Often zooming out enables one to grasp the larger picture and make better judgments when things seem difficult on the pricing chart. And most of the time, this is really a rather wise strategy. When you enlarge, you are not just paying attention to transient swings. You are considering long-term patterns. It reminds us that the volatility of the crypto market is inevitable and helps to put present moves in perspective. From a more all-encompassing standpoint, investors may make better selections and stay clear of short-term fear. And here's something crucial before basing choices on recent price declines arriving within the previous several days. For example, Hong Kong ETF might significantly affect prices by injecting over $25 billion into the crypto market. This following tweet captures the present state of affairs on the market exactly. After retracing far enough to persuade you the bull market is finished, Bitcoin will start its ascent once again. Interestingly fact, after we touched the Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong, here is another information. As a Twitter user points out, the Hong Kong spot Bitcoin ETFs are really noteworthy. They lack a fund for assistance unlike that of the West. 600k BTC ready for market dump as ETFs open. Their ETFs all start at 0 BTC. They only have purchase power from the starting line. Foolish. They are alluding to the many market collapses we have witnessed since January after the approval of the Bitcoin ETF in the United States, most of which were caused by investors dumping their vast Bitcoin holdings accumulated over years. Now, however, the scenario is different with the Hong Kong ETF. Like waiting for a rare cosmic occurrence. It's not something that occurs frequently, so when it does, one can clearly feel the expectation and delight. But how may it affect our dear Shiba Inu? Well, that's a fair question. Should Shiba Inu continue its post-halving rally of 2021, it will achieve an amazing gain of about 900,000% to approach a price of approximately 2 cents. Wait, however, let me clarify even if you would find it absurd statistics. Shiba Inu faced a significant challenge after the impressive March of more than 300%. Shiba Inu collapsed by almost 60% from the March top and further gave the bears less profits. Historical analogs inspire hope for them, especially the trend of positive runs that usually follows occurrences of halving of Bitcoin. For instance, Bitcoin dropped half in May 2020 at $8,000. 5 months later, its price started an upward trend and stayed there throughout the next year. By April 2021, Bitcoin surged beyond $60,000 before a brief dip. Up until November 2021, the premier crypto maintained its upward trend. It then hit a fresh all-time high. Since the halving event, this amazing increase reflected a startling rally of around 721%. Fascinatingly, Shiba Inu did not even exist at the May 2020 halving date of Bitcoin. 3 months later, Shiba Inu debuted with as much as 9 leading zeros. At first, Shiba Inu saw little trade during Bitcoin's first late 2020 spike. Shiba Inu did not exhibit notable trade volume of more over $5 million until January 31, 2021. Shiba Inu thereafter kept regularly trading quantities of hundreds of dollars and even millions. Shiba Inu had established its own record price of 504 by the time Bitcoin hit its initial 64,000 high in April 2021. Remarkably, Shiba Inu had already peaked at 408 in October 2021, while Bitcoin hit its new high at 68,000 in November 2021. Shiba Inu saw an amazing spike of over 800,000% from January to October that year. With its present price of around 63,000, Bitcoin would reach a price exceeding $500,000 of US dollars if it were to repeat the 721% spike it had after halving. Likewise, given its present price, Shiba Inu might hypothetically hit 2 cents if it were to replicate history and soar by almost 800,000%. Nonetheless, well-known predicting systems do not envisage Shiba Inu reaching this price in the next 2 decades, much alone during this optimistic season. Market players should hence not use this assessment as guidance on investments. Still, the buzz is clearly still there, because this year we have several newbies with freshly authorized ETFs. It's exciting to be facing this big touted event for the first time with your own site. Knowing that you are part of something important in the realm of cryptocurrencies makes it like seeing history come to pass right before you. The expectation, the doubt, and the possibility of major movements. All of this is part of the excitement of participating in this active and always changing industry. On that, however, what is your view? Comments down below. Reading your point of view would be much anticipated. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.